Okay, so when copying or scanning through the feeder, we want to make sure that we get a nice clean copy out with no lines or anything. There's a green line on your copy. There's no green line on your original. So basically what I do is I take my copy that came out and I put it on the glass, follow the line across. You'll see that there's a mark here. The easiest way to get rid of the mark is if you take a simple piece of paper, put it down on the glass, go back and forth roughly 8 to 10 times. As funny as that sounds, 8 to 10 times works. You notice the back of it now has a green mark. Now I'm going to put that same exact original back through, and you'll notice there's no green mark. So a nice simple thing to do is whenever you're using the feeder, it's the little glass, not the big glass. Just take the paper that you came out with that's already badged, put it on the glass, couple fingers behind it, back and forth about 8 to 10 times. That will always be clean.